variables.
Yeah, sir, your name?
Vishwajit.
Acha, Vishwajit, and definitely your information will work whenever we will try to learn the artificial intelligence. Okay, the definition that you have told, it is the very basic definition, and you can say first foundation digging of this artificial intelligence. Okay, so always remember, if due to the blessing of God, if we got the opportunity, definitely I will try to cover
Thank you,
this.
sir.
Okay, so now forget about all these. So I was discussing about the what is basically a data is. So data here means it is not a information. Okay, first thing is that it is not a information. It is not a information. Data is not a information. Okay, data means it is simply just like a combination of some digits. It is some combination of some like some digits. It can be integer, it can be a string, it can be anything. Okay, forget about this. Okay, whether it will be a information, in the next stage it will be a information, because data will be a raw data. Okay, data will be a raw data, free flow data will be in a motion. You need to extract the information from that data. Okay, a misconception is there always ki data is information. No, forget about that. Okay, just change your mindset and change the definition of data. Data means it is a free flow data. Okay, it can be in the form of quantities, it can be in the form of numbers, it can be some facts, it can be observations, it can be measurements, and important thing is it can be in the form of graphs, visualizations. Okay, and finally we need to extract the information. It may be possible that data will flow in the form of information for everyone. It may be possible. Okay, but in 99% cases nowadays, you need to process the data information, you need to extract the information from the data. This is the point. Data will be everywhere. Data can be any type. Okay, data can be any type. Okay, so suppose I am asking you, what will be a x plus y? Okay, Anuragji, are you there? Anuragji, are you there? Okay, Neha is there.
Yes,
So
sir.
if I am asking you x plus y, what will be the outcome of x plus y? So you will be abundant about that. Okay, how can these things alphabets can be added, and how can say, okay, what will be the outcome of this one? So but this is also some type of data. This is also some type of data, and outcome of x plus y, you cannot say okay, it will be a z, or it can be a another thing. So this amount of things are there. Data is everywhere in any form. This is the outcome of this one, and we need to extract the information. We need to extract the information from the data. Is that clear? Clear हो
Yes,
गया आप
sir.
लोगों को ये?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And most important, it can be a graphs also. Earlier we reject the graphs. We basically deals with the numbers. If we say some numbers, we simply say it is a data. Okay, this was our mindset. Another thing is from where data is coming. From data is coming. Okay, from data is coming. From the fitness activity data, it can be open banking, it can be a smartphone app uses, it can be a personal traits. Okay, interest and the as per the interest and the preferences, and actively ask in a survey. This is also a data. Observe on a social media, emotions and desires, values and benefits. These are also data. There is no fixed source of data. Okay, this is also there. We are getting a lot of people say we are getting the data from the social media. A tons of data will be generated from social media. No, it is not like that. Data is everywhere, and there is no fixed source for the data. Each and every point is the data source. Each and every point is the data source, and this is the basically all about the data. Okay, that comes under the do, say, feel and think category. I will not go in much detail. A huge terminology or use things you will find inside the do part, what you say part, what you feel that, and what you think. Basically it's all about the data part. Okay, and if you replace it with the robots, okay, or AI based agent, so that you can understand, okay, what is the importance of do, say, think and feel. If it is a me, okay, if it is a me, or if we are a human, if you are a human, then there is no problem. There is no problem with this. Okay, there is no problem with this. We can say it is a simple thing, sir. What we do, what we say, what we feel, what we think, it's all about data. Okay, it is not a problem, but simply replace it with a AI agent, artificial intelligence agent, or some say you replace it with the robots or the cobots. So what you feel, whether these things are crucial or not, crucial or no? Neha, what you feel, whether this will be a crucial or not?
Yes, sir, these will be crucial because the cobots do not understand feeling as such, so they will understand feelings in the form of data itself.
Because important thing is you can manipulate the things. You can manipulate the things. If somebody is arguing, unnecessary arguing with you, okay, simply what you say, simply avoid. First thing is that if you in your mind it may be simply avoid, yeah. But what about the robot? Robots are, yeah, cobots are very sensitive. This robot has to take the decision on as per the this argument. Okay, so in that case, do, say, think, feel, these will come into the picture, and this is the basic data collection point. Okay, and this is the basic information extraction from the data. Okay, this is the basic extraction of information from the data. Is that clear? Is that clear? Another
Yes, sir.
thing is,
Yes,
another
sir.
thing is, initially whenever you gather the data from the sensor based devices, it comes under the raw data category. Okay, it comes under the raw data category. Okay, raw data category, and it is for no use. It is for no use. You need to process the data, pre-process the data. You first need to pre-process the data, and after that you need to process the data, and after that so many things will be there. I will take this in the next slides. Now another thing is there nowadays. One thing is very popular, data science. Have you heard about the data science? कौन बताएगा what is data science? Anurag ji, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Anurag
Yes,
ji,
sir.
what is data science? I think a lot of times you encounter with the word with data science in newspaper or some Facebook or whatever it may be. Okay, what basically a data science is. So many times. So have you given some few minutes ke what basically a data science is? Because prior to that, computer science, I think everybody knows what basically computer science is. So what
Yes, sir.
basically a data science is? Can you explore this one, sir? कभी सोचा आपने कि data science क्या होगा?
Sir, it is all about collecting and analyzing data for a specific purpose.
Okay.
Just like statistical development of analogy to statics in the
Yeah.
computing language.
Yeah. Basically, we separate it. The data science. We are separating the data from the science.
Yes, sir.
So what does it mean? What basically a science is?
So generally we say data mining. Suppose then we are fetching the data for a specific purpose from a huge volume of information.
Sir, basically the thing is like that. In earlier days, data was very small. Okay, data was
Yes, sir.
very small. Little amount of data was there, and in
Yes, sir.
earlier days, I don't know. Have you remember the floppy disk or not? Floppy disk,
Yes,
पता
sir.
नहीं आप
Yes, sir.
लोगों को याद है sir floppy?
Sir, 1.4 inch.
अरे
Floppy was
definitely
there.
sir 1.4 आती थी. After that you
Yes, sir.
encounter with this one MB.
Three and a
हाँ, MB of this
3.5 inch.
this one.
Yes, sir.
I first purchased the USB of 8 MB. You will not believe like that, and it cost around 1200 rupees. So like that, after that GBs. Suppose at present, suppose I am asking you, okay, you are going to purchase some external hard disk. Okay,
Yes,
external
sir.
hard disk. How much capacity will be sufficient for you?
Sir. Nothing will be sufficient, sir.
Definitely.
Nowadays.
That is the answer that I am expecting from you, and it will not be,
Yes,
because
sir.
repeatedly I am saying data will be in emotion. Okay, if you are
Yes.
storing the data at one point, that means you are killing the data. You are killing the data.
Yes.
That means data should free flow. Only information should store, sir. Are you getting my point, all of you, or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir, only in data and information, a separate pillar is there. Okay, data should not be stored at one point. Okay, data should be in motion, but informations can be stored. Okay, because
Right, sir.
information will be a asset for you, but data is not an asset for you. That's why I have taken these things. And to extract the information from the data is nothing but a data science. Is that clear, sir? In earlier days, computer science was there branch. Now it is converted to the moving towards the data science. Data science moving towards the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence moving towards the machine learning. Machine learning moving towards the deep learning models. That is the artificial neural networks. Is that clear, sir? Sequence is clear, or shall I repeat? I have told very important concept.
Please repeat, sir.
Please repeat.
Sir, that is data science is a science
Repeat.
where data are stored in
Hello.
scientific way
Hello,
or
sir.
logical way.
Please repeat data science again.
Sir,
I am
whenever
not
you
clear properly.
sir, I request all of you, whenever you ask the question, please first tell the name, sir. Okay, so that I can recognize. So that otherwise it is very difficult for me who is asking the question, sir. So that's why it is my request to all of you. So whenever you reply or whenever you ask the question, please please tell the name here, name, sir. Yes, sir. Who is there, sir?
I am Arnav from Kolkata.
Okay, sir.
Please clearly, sir, repeat the data science. I not clear properly.
Sir, okay, data science is nothing. In earlier days, have you heard the computer science? One branch is there, computer science.
Yeah.
है ना? Basically, computer sciences means some combination of hardware and software.
Yeah.
है ना? I think you agree with my point. It is a combination of hardware
Yes,
and software. They people
hardware and software.
Hardware and software, and more software, less hardware. This is the thing inside the computer.
Yes.
Computer science. In case of data science, it purely deals with the data. Okay, it purely deals with the data that is coming from the software.
Coming from the software.
Okay, because
is the cloud-based part.
Sir. Cloud is a technical part. Forget about the cloud, sir. Forget about the cloud. Okay, forget about the cloud. Cloud I will take in the next PPTs, so couple of PPTs. So from somewhere you are getting a huge amount of data, tons of data you are getting. So how to extract the information from that data? Are you getting my point? It is a very difficult job, because in earlier days your tactics was simply data storage. You are only interested in the data storage. Simply whatever your office files was there or whatever the things are there, you simply store in the floppy or pen drive and just nothing else. But here, what does I mean to say? I mean to say that data should be stored. Data can be stored in an external manner. Okay, sorry, information can be stored, but data cannot be. Data is free flow. Data is free flow because your entire AI or whatever the things are there, all will come under the this analysis part. All will come under the data part. Is that clear? So flow is like that: computer science, arrow data science, arrow artificial intelligence, after that machine learning, after that deep learning. Is that clear? Deep learning, and this is the entire model.
Deep learning means
human brain type of things.
Oh, human brain type of thing.
Yeah, human brain.
This is a all combination of data science.
Yeah, this is the all combination of data science. It's all about data, sir. If you kill the data, if you minus the data, that means everything will dead.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear, sir?
All preserve the information in data science without any destroy.
Yeah, sir. Data is free flow. Data is free flow. Data is free flow. A huge amount of data.
Sir.
Suppose Anuragji is there. Anuragji, are you here in the discussion?
Yes, sir. Yes,
sir. Anuragji is there. Arnabji, suppose I am asking you, sir. I am asking you, what is your opinion about Anuragji? From my side, my question is there. Okay, Arnabji, my question is there. Okay, what do you feel? Anuragi is good person or bad person? So
हम
what is
उसको
what
तो
will be your
पहचानते
reply?
नहीं है, इसलिए हम तो उसको गुड पर्सन ना बैड पर्सन तो डिक्लेयर नहीं कर सकते हैं।
क्या नहीं है सर? Kindly
ये तो
repeat. Sir, kindly repeat the answer. Kindly repeat.
हम बोल रहे हैं सर, हम तो उसको पहचानते नहीं है,
हाँ
इसलिए
हाँ हाँ,
हम
that
उसको
is the
गुड
important part.
पर्सन ना बैड पर्सन कैसे
Sir,
हम
sir,
डिक्लेयर
sir, sir,
करें?
यहाँ पे sir Arnav
हाँ,
ji, you have got the
हाँ,
point. Very beautifully you replied because some data is missing here. जानने
यस
का
सर,
मतलब क्या है कि
इंफॉर्मेशन इज में, हाँ
सर जानने का मतलब क्या है कि
हाँ
डेटा नहीं है आपके पास में ना।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, डेटा नहीं
जानने
है,
का
मेरा
जानने का
पर्टिकुलर
मतलब
डेटा
टेक्निकली यू
नहीं है।
कैन से कि डेटा इज
हाँ
मिसिंग,
हाँ,
data is missing.
डेटा
So
इज मिसिंग।
here sir just listen, here human intelligence fails. Here human intelligence also fail by the missing of this data. So how you can imagine that without the data your artificial intelligence work? Is that clear? Are you getting my point? Or I
यस
have
सर,
tried my best to
यस
explain
सर।
the thing, sir. Anurag ji, sorry about that. I have used your name for that
Sir,
one for to
sir,
explain
sir,
this.
sir, sir, no issue, sir.
And
No
I
issue.
declare you are a good person, sir. I declare from my side. You are a-
Thanks, sir. Thanks, sir. Thanks, sir. Thanks, sir. Okay, sir.
So all of you have got my point.
हाँ
है ना?
Sir, in
Yes,
सर
this
sir.
case,
कंप्यूटर साइंस क्या है, डेटा साइंस क्या है, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस क्या है, ये एक मूव है इन सम इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज, दे हैव रिप्लेस्ड द कंप्यूटर साइंस ब्रांच विद द डेटा साइंस।
Yes.
ओके सर?
Sir.
हाँ सर।
so one query. I am Sumit from Dharamshala.
हाँ सर।
Sir, same data can be informative for one and it cannot be for another.
हाँ सर, डेफिनेटली दिस इज द थीम बिहाइंड दैट, दिस इज द प्राइवेसी ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन. It should be at one particular moment. Suppose X is information for me, so at the another moment, okay, X should be a garbage for Sumit. Okay, if he is not authenticated
Yes.
for this one.
Right, sir.
Okay, this type of things basically
Okay.
this comes under the data modeling part. Okay, what exactly what you want to do about on this data, process data.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, Neha, any doubt? Neha,
No,
are you
sir.
there?
Yes, sir. No doubt.
Have you got the point? What is the difference between computer
sir.
science and data science and AI and all these things?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Diksha is there. Diksha is there. Okay. So this is the basic purpose about this one. You can see okay, data acquisition will be there. Always we humans are the curious one. We have already started by this slogan, why, and the data acquisition will be there. Then data cleaning will be there. It comes under the data pre-processing part. Then it will be transformed in some form. After that, exploratory data analysis will be there. Each and every word will have its individual meaning. Whenever you are you will learn the artificial intelligence around your exploration and this exploitation. Two words are there, exploration and exploitation. Believe me, at least one day is required to distinguish these two words. Okay, in the data analysis part. After that, your machine learning algorithm will come, that is the k nearest neighbor algorithm. Okay, and decision tree algorithm, naive bias, and so many options are there, and you have to perform the data modeling. This is the part of AI. Basically you have to perform or you have to make your data modeling inside that, and after that data will be visualized and communicated for the decision point of view. I think the flow is clear to all of you. If you have any doubt, you can ask to me. Very important diagram this was. Now one very frequently question arises. We have from since beginning we have seen 175 zettabytes will be generated or petabytes will be generated. For trust me, a lot of times I also got in trouble. Okay, how much of data will be there? What about the zeta? What about the peta? What come first? Whether peta will come or zeta will come? A lot of time I also got confused. So definitely I hope you also encounter the same problem. So this is for your reference. You just devote 2-3 minutes for this. Okay, it starts from the bit. I think everybody knows about the bit. In digital everybody knows basically it is all a game of 0 and 1. Okay, entire model, sir, basically what data is nothing but a 0 and 1. Okay, data is a combination of 0 and 1. Whether what I am saying, if I'm saying hello, hello is also a 0 and 1. Okay, nothing else. So abbreviation is B, binary value 0 1, 1/8 of byte, yani ki byte is a combination of 8 bit. Okay, kilobyte, 1000 bytes, 1025 binary value, then 1000 bytes, after that kilobyte, and the abbreviation is KB, MB, GB, TB, PB, EB, ZB, YB. Okay, zettabyte, yottabyte. Up to this it is clear. So you can see this amount of bytes will be generated, this amount of bytes. Okay, how you can store at one place this amount of data? Can you store this amount of data? Can you store this amount of data? If I am saying it is a 2000 yottabyte. Okay, you cannot imagine. Can you make a system? Can you make a system that this amount of data will be stored at one point? And further, one thing is there, you can store. Suppose from your intelligence point of view, okay, from your intelligence point of view, you prepare one system on which you can store this amount of data. But how to process this data? Okay, how to process this data? This is a big challenge. This is a big challenge. As centralized place, you will not find such amount of computation power. So these things you will find. These are the new challenges in the data science, how to store, and if you store this one, how to process this one. I don't know, have you heard of the word about the Hadoop? Hadoop is all about this one. It works upon the Hadoop distribution file system, HDFS. So through which we can process the data mining part or the map reducer and so many things. So this thing is clear. Have you revised? Have you reviewed the things? What is basically a TB, PB, EB, ZB, YB? I request all of you, please remember this sequence. Forget about this. You remember this one. Up to GB it is okay. Up to TB it is okay. A problem starts from the PB, EB, ZB, YB. And from my point of view, I always got confused between the ZB and YB and EB. Who will come first? Okay, these things are there. So GB, TB, yeah, like that. Hadoop for unstructured data. Yeah, it is for raw data. Sandeep ji, it is for raw data. Okay, it is for raw data. And
Sir, one
definitely,
question is there.
who is there?
Sir, myself Uttam Kumar Pal from Kolkata.
Yeah.
So quantum bit will not come into picture of data science.
Yeah, sir.
QBI.
Yeah, sir. It is
Quantum
also
bit.
a new dimension in this one.
Okay, that will come. Okay.
Yeah, slowly you are getting the point. All these things come in a very advanced stage of learning. Okay, these things are there. This basically what I am telling. It is a basic foundation towards the data science.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Are you getting the things? You are able to connect the things from where we are moving, from where we have started and where we want to move.
Actually, from the very beginning, we are not started. I've started from yesterday. I'm
okay.
Getting little bit. Okay.
Have you
Trying
gone
to get it.
Have you gone towards my video?
Which video, sir?
Are you not in a WhatsApp group?
I did, yesterday you have added me.
Okay. I will share once again. I will share my YouTube video. I request all of you. So please subscribe my videos, and you once at least those who joined the late, at least go my videos, all of my videos, complete video lectures you will find. And whenever you have doubt after that, I will try to cover all these things. Is that clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
And
Okay, sir.
share, and also requested to share with all friends of BSNL or non-BSNL also. Okay, so
Okay,
that
sir.
maximum benefit can be there. So these are the very latest technology, and you will not believe me ke in the outside world these to adopt or to learn these technologies are very costly. Okay, here it is the basically advantage of lockdown. Okay, in our normal routine also I don't find the time to take these things. Okay, it is basically all about the lockdown, so that's why I have taken these things in very detail. Okay, and in normally basically in ALTTC only 2 hours assigned for the seminars, and I used to cover these things in a 2 hours manner, so it is very difficult, tough task for me always to cover the things. Okay, now I hope you got the point. Let us move forward. All of you are happy with my speed, or shall I proceed fast?
No, sir.
The
This
speed
space
is
is okay.
okay.
It's okay, sir.
It's okay, sir.
Okay, sir, this is the another way to remember this formula. Okay, 8-bit byte kilobyte every time multiply by 1000. I hope you have got the things. Okay, you have got the things. You can take the pic also, otherwise it is available on the YouTube link. Sir, one important question arises, IoT is gathering the data, and up to this point you are agree with me that data is all about. Okay, it's all about the data. It's all about the data. Because nowadays whatever may be the technology, it's all about the data oriented technologies. So what is the life cycle of data? There should be a life cycle, na sir? Otherwise, if data collision will be there. So what about the data life cycle? This is the data life cycle. Okay, simply first one is the create. Okay, first one is the create, then second manage, then distribute, then retrieve, then archive. Okay, these are the few steps: create, interact, store, archive, delete. Okay, deletion is also very much necessary. Deletion is also very much necessary, and definitely one question you will ask, how or when you will going to delete this data. System automatically deletes the data. System automatically deletes the data, or simply say upgrade the data whenever some environment changes. In case of IoT ecosystem, whenever some environment changes or the system upgraded, always it will be overwritten. It will be overwritten. So it is an automatic process basically. This is the life cycle of data. Okay, one misconception is there. One misconception is there that data will always be stored. Okay, data will always be stored, and forever it will be stored. No, it is not like that. Okay, no, it is not like that. So always there is some certain life of everything is there. So in case of data, we have the 5 things: create, manage, distribute, retrieve, and archive. Have you got this point? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. This is my YouTube link. You can copy from here also. And what about the evolution of big data? Okay, now we are moving from data to big data. We are moving from data to big data. A lot of people ask, sir, why I have taken this one. Okay, I worked a lot to form these PPTs basically. So a lot of question I encounter, okay, how to distinguish between the data and big data. Some people say, okay, 4V, 7V, 8V, 6V, these things are there. These are the technical things. Okay, in an average, some people basically, we peoples are the old peoples, we you can say, we are not a new one. Some young generation people especially ask, because my profession is for the training point of view. Okay, my profession is the trainer. So a lot of time, young generation ask to me, okay, sir, everything is okay. You are telling okay, this much of V, that much of V, and variability or this type veracity, and these things are there. All it is okay. But how to distinguish between the data and big data? How much of amount you can say average it will come under the category of big data? So answer is, by today's standards, 1 terabyte or greater is considered to be a big data. Is that clear, sir? Up to this, any doubt? Inside this, any doubt? Very important concept it is. Neha, are you getting my point?
Yes, sir. No doubt.
Okay, a lot of times it is a frequently asked question. Okay, what is the difference between the dat- data and the big data? So on an average, for the amount point of view, you can say, okay, if it is a more than 1 terabyte or it is around 1 terabyte, it can be considered as a big data. Okay, this amount of data in a variable form, not a single storage. It is not like that if a terabyte hard disk you have, and inside that you store the 1 terabyte data and simply say I have the big data. It is not like that, Anuragji. Forget about that. Here 1 terabyte data means it is a 1 terabyte data in a motion, in a moving way, and we have to make the extraction of information from 1 terabyte of data at one instance. Can you imagine how will be the challenge? What will be the challenge if we need to extract the information in a one instance from 1 terabyte of data? Have you got my point?
Yes, sir.
So computing and analysis, sir, it is a matter of debate basically. Some people say it is all about the big data. Now I have jumped to the big data. Okay, we are dealing with the computing and data analysis inside the IoT part. So I have already told we have already moved from data to big data. And for big data, we have changed our network from MPLS traditional network to SDN also. So what about the big data? So it is very much essential or need of an hour to understand the little bit about the what we want to compute and analysis. That is the big data. So what is the property of big data? And if some people are rigid one and definitely ask, no, sir, I don't know about the what about the parameters or what are the characteristics of the data. I am only interested in amount. So you can say rough formula is there. Okay, if it is a 1 terabyte or more than 1 terabyte, you can say it is a it comes under the category of big data, but it should be in a motion. It should be in a motion. It should be in a variable condition, or it should vary from one point to another point, or data should be in a motion. Is that clear? Now these are the 4 V's. This big data concept is developed by the IBM and initially categorized into the 4 V's. Okay, 4 V's. Initially categorized into the 4 V's. Okay, still some people say it is a 4V, 5V, 6V, whatever it may be. I will try to clear the things inside 4V, 6V, 8V models. So what basically a 4V means? It is a volume. It starts with volume, velocity, variety, and veracity. Is that clear? 4V means it starts from the volume, velocity, variety, and veracity. Volume means it is a data at rest. Okay, data at rest. Data at rest means you have stored the 1 terabyte of data. So some examples in a one pen drive or in a USB devices. Is that clear, sir? So data at rest, terabytes of 2 exabytes TB to EB of existing data to a process. Okay, further later on moment I will process this data. This is the volume. This is the volume. Volume means how much data. Okay, volume, how much data. Velocity, data in motion. Okay, this is the main part. This is the main part, and since beginning I am repeating that data should be in motion. Data here, what you are doing, you are killing the data basically. No information can be extracted from this one. It is already in the form of some information. It is already in the form of some information for your point of view, but I cannot extract the information from that data because data at rest. Here data is resting. So here data in motion. Here definitely it is something for you. For me, I can stream the data in milliseconds to seconds to respond. Okay, here data speaks something. Here data speaks something. In case of variety, a huge variety of data you will find. Data in many forms. It can be basically categorized into the form of structured, unstructured, and semi-structured. Okay, structured means, can anybody, Neha, are you there? can you tell what basically structure did?
Structured structured data, sir. मतलब it could mean कि the data will be giving some information as a series of steps.
No, data in case of structured data, data will be a
It is in some
well
format,
furnished,
specific
okay,
format,
or
sir.
you can say it will be in the superfine state in the form of tables, okay, in the form of tables. It will have some sense in the form of rows and columns, so that in that case we can say it is a structured data. Another point is the semi-structured data. Semi-structured data, can you give me the example of semi-structured data? Your XML file is basically a semi-structured data. Okay, XML file is a semi-structured data, and what about the unstructured data? It is simply a raw data. It is simply a raw data. So most of the time and frequently you will encounter with the semi-structured data, unstructured data, and data in doubt. Another one is the another 4V is that is the veracity. Okay, that is the veracity. VERACITY. Veracity means uncertainty due to the data inconsistency and incompleteness, ambiguities, latency, deception, model, approximations, and redundancy. Okay, redundancy. So data in doubt, uncertainty. Yeah. So these type of 4V's define the big data property. These 4V's define the these 4V defines the property of or characteristics of big data. Now sir, it is already 10:15, so it's time to wrap up the things. So what you feel, it is useful for you or not? Have you enjoyed today's lecture? It is informative to
Very
me. It was
useful.
informative
Very
to all of you or
informative.
not?
Very
Yes, sir. It was
useful.
quite informative.
Yes,
Okay
sir.
sir. Okay sir. You all have my my mail ID, my WhatsApp, all of you have. So I further request to all of you. Okay, I further request to all of you. Okay, please share my YouTube links to all of you to achieve the maximum benefits. 810. You can connect me through the WhatsApp. I will add you in the WhatsApp group. Further, please send me those who have joined today. Please send your details, mail ID, HR number, and all the things on my WhatsApp, okay, or the group. And today I am not giving any assignment because I am not happy from your response yesterday that you have shown because I have given one question and nobody from you, around 2 or 3 people only worked about that. So that's why today I am not